Hilarious pandas play on the slide from a snowstorm in China. For a long time, the animal is considered the national treasure of China. The panda, which has been famous all over the world for its amazingly useless level. Two playful pandas play a slide inside a wildlife park in northern China after a blizzard. The two of them had fun moments together that everyone enjoyed. After the above clip was posted on TikTok, it received many likes and comments. The online community is delighted with this lovely image. Especially pandas are very popular because of their cuteness as well as their shape. In all the zoos with the appearance of pandas, whether in the US, Japan, or Russia, these fat bears are always the stars that attract visitors. People's emotions when they see them are often overwhelmed by the innocence that countless people love. After seeing the most current video, kindly follow our channel, 3T Trees. We sincerely appreciate it.